Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 76. Dear Sir, the volumes of the French Revolution for which you ask in your favor of the 1st July shall be delivered to you early tomorrow. Full stop. We are just now out of stock of the Life of Lord Lumley, last year's best seller, and we are unable to say when we shall receive copies. Full stop. We have a daily delivery from the wholesalers, however, and you may rely upon our mailing the volume to you as soon as it reaches us. Full stop. We are taking the liberty of enclosing for your approval special naval lessons of the war special close by Philip Bailey. Full stop. Please return this with the next parcel if it makes no appeal to you. Full stop. Yours truly. Full stop.